Hey, my dear students, welcome back. Thank you so much. We reached 1000 subscribers. In this video, we are going to learn how to name amines. We have different types of amines, starting from primary, secondary, tertiary, and even quaternary amines that we call quaternary ammonium salt. For primary and symmetrical amines, we name that with a name from alkanes like methylamine. If it has 3 identical substituents, 3-methylamine. For unsymmetrical amines, secondary or tertiary, we add N, and the parent name is the longest chain. Let's take a look at this example. We have N-methylcyclohexylamine. Right? More than one substituent, list them alphabetically. We are going to see them through examples. Aryl amines, for example, a typical one, aniline or phenylamine according to UPAC. Aniline is the general name used. Common names accepted by UPAC. If amine is not the primary group, is named as amino substituent. For example, at this case, we have an amine group at the meta position related with the benzoic acid. So, meta-aminobenzoic acid. What about for heterocycle amines? They have their unique names, and the nitrogen atom on the cycle has always the lowest possible number on the ring. You can feel free to make a screenshot of those names: pyridine, pyrrole, quinoline, imidazole, indole, pyrimidine, pyrrolidine, piperindine, etc. The one has the nitrogen on the ring has the lowest possible number, right? Okay, give the names for the compounds below. With the rules that we learned above, let's try to give the name for those compounds. The first one is simple, just cyclohexylamine. The second one, here we have 2 substituents and 1 parent name, that is cyclopentyl. So it's going to be, if you have 2 substituents, now in this case, that are going to serve as a substituent, because this is a 3 substituted amine actually, but this one of them, the longest chain or the longest ring, has to be the parent name, right? So this is you have ethyl and methyl. We have to list them alphabetically, right? So what we have? N-ethyl, N-methyl, pentylamine. So N-ethyl and methyl cyclopentylamine. Let's move further. What about in this aryl amine? We have N-methyl aniline, right? Or N-methyl phenylamine, the UPAC name. Both are accepted. Okay, to this compound here, that the amino group is not the primary group. So how is it going to be? You are going to start numbering to the most important group. Most important group is ketone group. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be 4 amino. The ketone group is at position 2, 2 butanon. Right? Okay, let's move further. Now, let's take a look at this example. This is more complicated because you have a disubstituted amine that is not the primary group, is not the most important group on the parent chain, the carboxylic group. So how is going to be this one? First, second, third. So amine is at the position 3, so it's going to be 3N-dimethyl amine, propanoic acid, right? Let's move further. So what do we have here? We have a methoxy group to a heterocycle amine. So in this case, the methoxy, this is going to have the first number as we mentioned above, second, third. So it's going to be 3-methoxy pyridine, right? What about this one? N-ethyl pyridine, right? Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, give a like, and thank you again for 1000 subscribers.